Hey folks, so we get back and today we will talk about a bit philosophical, but also the topic about the system design. We will talk about the holons. So holons and holonic system and holarchy and all of the things. And the idea of holons actually it's quite simple that it's a system where the parts simultaneously represent the part and as a whole. And you don't know with which of the layers you work because they have absolutely similar interfaces. And if you're talking about the hardware design or software design, let's say, that for example, entire Smalltalk and Smalltalk objects are representing the halons because in a Smalltalk everything is an object get the messages, and the composition of the object represent the system that also get the messages. And when you send in the message to somewhere, you don't know actually who is processing it, atomic object or the object that represent the complex system. And actually, this Holonic design, it's quite good for the agentic AI also, because in agentic AI you could have the atomic agents that build the simple wrappers over the LLMs, or maybe they could use the other agents and the complex cooperation and multi-agent systems to do the work. But for you, it's the same interface that actually allows you to work with the uh, separate agent or the massive multiplayer agent system as an agent, because for you as an end user you have the same interface. So it's a quite recursive, I would say, fractal structure. But the main idea that the parts and the whole system looks the same, have the same interface, and if you're talking about the matter of data, this Holonic data structures actually playing also quite well, because you could model Holonic data structures as a metagraphs, and they really have quite interesting properties, because then you could say that the time point, the event, the complex memory and user experience, all the temporal entities that have the same interface, and the composition of this structures also represent the points in time. And I would say that the time and events are more dog-like structures, but in the same time they could create this meta dogs that represent the stuff. So the Holonic, it's a simple and quite philosophical idea, but quite powerful for the agentic AI, because we create the universal interface that somehow hide the complexity and give us the unification from the simple atom to the complex organisms that work in the same way. That's all that I was keen to share with you, and see you next time. Choose.